Hello, welcome to Finnish lesson special episode. This is something people always keep asking about, how to curse in Finnish. People think it sounds really funny. I'm gonna teach you how to curse in Finnish and all of the basic curse words that majority of people use a lot in Finland. But I do not want to encourage you to curse. I rarely ever curse myself in Finnish, and I don't like it. But it's true that you should know these words. Even if you're not about to use them, you should recognize them in sentences to know what people mean when they say certain things. Also, if you watch this video, I'm asking you, I'm pleading you to learn other words in Finnish as well and check out my other Finnish teaching videos so that your Finnish knowledge doesn't completely consist of curse words. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with hell. Hell in Finnish is helvetti. 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 Here there's two T's at the end. You need to pronounce both of them. It's like vetti. Helvetti. Double consonants are very common in Finnish language, and you kind of just end the previous syllable with a consonant and you start the next syllable with a consonant. That's how it usually works. If you want to say go to hell, you can say painu helvettiin. Painu helvettiin. Okay, our next word is perkele. 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 This means the devil, I guess, even though we have another word as well. Not quite sure, but a lot of people use perkele all the time. They're just dropping it left and right. Perkele. You just say it when something goes wrong. You just say it when something goes to shit. That's when you say it. Perkele. And next we have Satana. You often hear Finnish people going Satana perkele, okay? You use this word in very similar way as perkele, and Satana means Satan, obviously. It's, again, when something goes wrong, you just curse, right? Or when you just feel like cursing, because that's what Finns do. I don't know. Satana. Satana. Okay. The next word I have for you is ass. Ass in Finnish is perse. 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 Very simple word again. It's you just need to remember to pronounce that R sharply. Perse. You know, and the S as well. No H's after S's in Finnish. You just S. S's are very sharp, and it just means ass. A common thing people say when they use the word ass is for something to be from ass, meaning something is terrible, like that something's not good. We say something on perseestä. Olla perseestä. So you just take a form of the be verb, but in Finnish, and then you just perseestä after that, which means from ass. And next we have shit, because of course there is no curse word list if you don't include shit. And shit in Finnish is paska. 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 Very easy, but you probably also understand why Finnish people think it's really funny when you learn in middle school about Pascal in physics lessons, I think. Yeah, because that Pascal basically means taking a shit. Or someone is taking a shit. Olla Pascal. Or Pascalla. But a lot of people leave out the two last L and A, so it's just Pascal. It's spoken language. And anyway, Paska. Paska. Yeah. The next word I don't think I'm gonna say for you. It's this. I don't like to use this word at all, but Finnish people use it a lot. A word that some Finnish people like me, who don't like to use this word, might say in place of it is kettu, or when something's annoying you say ketuttaa. It's annoying you. Yeah. This is basically the equivalent of fuck in Finnish, but it doesn't have the exact same meaning. It the word itself refers to female genitalia rather than to having sex like it does in English. I'm not really that well educated on the etymology of curse words, but you can correct me if you think something here is wrong. Anyway, you hear this word a lot, but please don't use it, I hate it. Our next word is jumalauta, which is like shortened form of God help me, but like in a heretic way. Jumalauta. Again, a word that you use when something goes to shit. When something goes wrong, you're like, Jumalauta. Oh. Pretty much. Jumalauta. Jumalauta. And last, probably the mildest one I'm gonna mention is something Hitta. You can be like a Hitta. It's like damn, I guess. In English, like it's not considered really cursing, but it's still kinda is, you know, that kind of vibes. Can be like a Hitta or voi Hitta. It's like a milder version of the V word that we discussed earlier. You know? I think those were all of the most important curse words in Finnish. If you want to know more, please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. I will do my best to answer everything. And yeah, that's it for today. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muista tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos, hei hei, hei hei.